Think for a second. You wake up in the beautiful countryside of Italy. Fresh air, green farms, mountains in the background. You start your day working in an Italian farm or tourism place. At the end of the month, you receive your salary in euros. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, many people on the internet say, "Come to Italy easily. Get visa in 7 days. Earn thousands of euros fast." But the truth is very different. Today, Italy is the third country of our visa series. Getting an Italy seasonal work visa is not easy. There are rules, documents, and real procedures. And if you follow wrong information, you may lose money, lose time, and lose your chance. So in this video, I will explain everything honestly. No fake promises, no agent scams, no lies. You will learn what the Italy seasonal work visa really is, who can apply, how the application works, what jobs are available, salary and working conditions, and the biggest mistakes people make. So watch this video until the end, because the last part may save you from visa scams. Let's start. What is Italy seasonal work visa? The Italy seasonal work visa is a temporary work visa. It allows foreign workers to work in Italy for seasonal jobs. Seasonal jobs mean jobs needed only for certain months of the year. These jobs are mostly in agriculture, farming, fruit picking, tourism, hotels, restaurants, resorts. Italy needs extra workers during busy seasons. For example, in summer, tourism becomes very busy. In harvest season, farms need many workers to pick fruits and vegetables. So the Italian government allows companies to hire workers from other countries. But this happens under a special system called Decreto Flussi. This program decides how many workers can enter Italy from which countries for which jobs. Without this quota system, the visa is not possible. So remember this important point. You cannot apply alone for this visa. You must first get a job offer from an Italian employer. What is Decreto Flussi? Every year, the Italian government releases a plan called Decreto Flussi. This plan decides the number of foreign workers allowed to come to Italy. For example, the government may allow tens of thousands of seasonal workers. Every year, workers' quota can be changed. Employers in Italy must apply first. They submit requests for workers. If the request is approved, the employer can then apply for the visa. This means the process starts in Italy, not in your country. This is very important. Many people think they can go to the embassy and apply directly. That is not true. Without an approved employer request, the visa will not happen. If you still not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates, because on this channel, you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration. Who can apply? The Italy seasonal work visa is open to citizens of specific countries approved by the government. These countries can change depending on the yearly decree. But usually, many countries from Asia, Africa, and Eastern Europe are included. The worker must also meet some conditions. Basic requirements usually include valid passport, job offer from Italian employer, no serious criminal record, good health condition. You must also be ready to work physically. Many seasonal jobs are manual labor jobs. For example, working in farms, harvesting fruits, cleaning hotels, or helping in restaurants. These jobs can be hard work, but they are honest work. Types of seasonal jobs. Let's talk about the real jobs available. Most seasonal workers go to Italy for agriculture jobs. Examples include fruit picking. Workers collect fruits such as apples, grapes, oranges, olives. These fruits are important for Italian food and wine production. Another job is vegetable harvesting. Workers pick vegetables and help pack them for markets. Some workers also work in greenhouses. They help grow plants and vegetables. Then we have tourism jobs. During tourist season, hotels and restaurants become very busy. Seasonal workers may work as kitchen helpers, cleaners, hotel assistants, restaurant helpers. These jobs usually happen during summer months. Salary in seasonal jobs. Now let's talk about money. This is the question everyone asks. How much can you earn? The salary depends on job type, region, working hours, employer contract. Seasonal farm jobs often pay around minimum contract wages. Workers may earn around 6 to 10 euros per hour, depending on the job and contract. Some employers also provide accommodation, food, and transportation to work, but not always, so you must always check the contract details. Working hours as per Italy labor law. Workers allowed to 8 hours daily as per Italy law. If your agreement or contract allows you overtime, then you are eligible for overtime. But must remember that this visa is not permanent, it's temporary, so income may be limited to the seasonal period. Duration of the visa. The seasonal work visa usually allows work for up to 9 months. The exact time depends on the contract. For example, some workers stay for 3 months, others stay for 6 months, and some may stay the full 9 months. After the job ends, workers must return to their home country. However, if workers follow the rules and return on time, they may have a better chance of returning again in future seasons. Some workers come back to Italy every year through seasonal programs. Step-by-step process of Italy seasonal jobs. Let's understand the real process. Step 1. Employer applies in Italy. An Italian employer submits a request for foreign workers through the government system. Step 2. Government approval. If the request is approved, the employer receives authorization. This document is called nulla osta. Step 3. Worker receives job offer. The employer sends the contract and documents to the worker. Step 4. Visa application. The worker applies for the seasonal work visa at the Italian embassy or consulate. Documents are checked carefully. Step 5. Visa decision. If everything is correct, the visa may be issued. Step 6. Travel to Italy. The worker travels to Italy and signs the official contract. Then the worker receives a residence permit for seasonal work. Important documents to get Italy seasonal jobs. Documents usually include valid passport, visa application form, job contract, nulla osta authorization, passport photos, proof of accommodation, sometimes arranged by the employer. Embassies may ask for additional documents depending on the case. Follow Italy official guidelines. Big warning about agents. Now listen carefully. This is one of the most important parts of this video. Many people lose money because of fake agents. Some agents promise guaranteed Italy job, pay money and get visa fast. But many of these promises are not real. No agent can guarantee a visa. Only the Italian government and embassy decide. If someone asks for huge money for job guarantee, be very careful. Always verify information. Do not send money to unknown people. Common mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, believing social media rumors. Many videos online show easy ways to go to Europe, but immigration rules are strict. Mistake 2, never trust agents and not pay heavy amount to agents. Never pay anyone. First, you must do your own research, then apply. Mistake 3, Ignoring official sources. Important information should come from official government websites, embassies, or trusted legal advisors. Reality of seasonal work. Seasonal work can be a good opportunity, but it is not luxury life. Workers must be ready for physical work, long hours in busy seasons, and living away from family. However, many people still take these jobs because they can earn income in euros, gain international work experience, and support their families. Now, question comes in mind that from where get Italy seasonal jobs, right? Don't panic, I'm here to guide you. You cannot apply for this visa by your own. First, you need to find employer, then that employer apply for your seasonal job under Nulla Osta, which follows the Decreto Flussi system. Through international job boards like
LinkedIn Italy, Indeed Italy, InfoJobs Italy, Glassdoor Italy, Eures, you can secure Italy's seasonal jobs. You can directly apply to farm and hotels for these seasonal roles in Italy. You can also take help from friends or family members who are already in Italy, because sometimes social contacts can help you to land in Italy for seasonal job. These my research about how to get seasonal jobs in Italy. There may be other ways to get Italy's seasonal jobs you must check, but authentic, not illegal or fraud procedure. Final advice. If you truly want to apply for Italy's seasonal work visa, remember these key points. First, be patient. It's time-taking process. Second, always follow legal and authentic procedure. Immigration processes take time. Second, only follow authentic and real procedure. Never try illegal shortcuts. Third, prepare your documents carefully. Mistakes in documents can cause visa rejection. And most important, always use authentic information. Always verify latest update about Italy's seasonal work from Italy official site before applying, because rules and regulations can be changed at any time. Let's conclude today's video. Italy is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe. Working there for a season can be a valuable experience, but success comes with correct information and patience. So, before making any decision, research carefully. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who wants to work abroad, and subscribe to the channel for more real immigration guides and updates. See you in the next video with another informative Italy visa updates. Remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.